Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can perform hard reset of your Android TV. So at the first you have to simply open the settings in the right upper corner. Next you have to scroll down and you have to go for the device preferences, and right now scroll down at the bottom until you find reset option. Click on it once, go for the reset in our time and click OK, and select to erase everything. You will delete all data, you will restore your TV to the default settings. Click OK, and right now we can put your remote control back. Now you have to be patient and just wait until the factory data reset will be complete. Okay, and as you can see, the reset is complete. So that was very simple, as you can see. That's how you can make the reset of your TV. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.